Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You know, see, and all things that's good. See? Once a welcome to all viewers and subscribers. See? All of the subscribers them. Much respect. See? All of the viewers. If you haven't already subscribed, just press the subscribe button. If it's up on red, you don't know. Put it on, make it on black or grey. See? So you have a breaking news. We're going to Jamaica with a shootout. We're going up Trafalgar Road between the police. Trafalgar Road, New Kingston, between the police and some shooters, some gunmen. You know, see, them just come out for a murder, alleged that they just carried out a murder in a swallow field, and the police pick up them trail and run them down and catch them, and a shootout ensued at the end of Trafalgar Road, coming up to Hope Road, I think. Yeah, Hope Road, just when I got to Devon House, you know, right after. So watch the clippings and make we have a little chat because there's a few observations we'll pick up there. Respect.
Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
Mass shooting and killed 10 people at a Boulder supermarket on March 22.
Yeah, well, you know, the first thing when we observe from the clipping is that man, one of the only thing when we observe so far is that the people brave, because I think what me would have do, if I would have just sung in the car them and just go and take it easy, same way I would have tried to make a run feet, run to some safety, run out of the vicinity, the proximity, a gunshot and all them thing there. But the people them sit down like them can't see the gunshot them and see where them go. You know, maybe so still, because, you know, to what it look like, you know, like the police and the gunman them a deal with one another, and they know who them a deal with and who a deal with those things, you know, so people them wouldn't need to know. Probably, I just don't feel like, say, I would have sit down there so and take it so easy still, but, on the other hand, still, can I say good job to the police officer them, because, you know, it's a car load of man them there. Good have some hitties where get all some party to go kill a man, because right now a life value of Jamaica, a life value to the highest bidder, you know, like the more you, like whatever you can get. You know, see, the other day a woman a give you a drama where she a drive go uptown in her Jeep and two bike man pull up side her in the traffic, you know. And one of them just lift up him shirt and show her him gun in him waist. Seeing, so she get panic, you know, and want to give him the car and everything like that. That's him I say, what you have? You know, see it. And she tell them, so boy, she don't have no money, that's $1,000 she have. See? 1,000 Jamaican dollar. And them say, give me. And then she give them it. And mommy, you look like them. I say, mommy, you look like a businesswoman, like a woman of substance, basically then. You know, see, you know nobody where you want dead. You know? You know nobody at your workplace where you don't like and them thing they can give you a thing and go deal. You know, see, just so a woman give them $1,000, you know. They come like if the woman them have another 1,000 on top of that 1,000 and just tell them whisper to one of her enemy there. And somebody where she don't like. Them just right go take her out easy. Probably put $500 petrol in the car and go take her take out whoever forget take out and come back about them way. You know, see, so it's like when you hear things like them there, you can't too, you know, especially with the climate of what going on in Jamaica today. You know, see, it's not like you can't have no compassion, you know, but again, to what going on, who's there to be compassionate for, you know what I say, nobody now take no compassion personally for themselves. You know, see, because, you know, a car load a gunman in the middle so that you can see a thick traffic that they weren't going anywhere. Nowhere in the uptown region, that's for about 20 years now, over 30 odd years now. You know, going away certain time when it peak hour, you know, gonna be, it's just crawling, the vehicle and traffic a crawl bumper to bumper, you understand what I say? So, you know, can't understand the frame of mind. It must be some high level desperation. Because some man for go pull off a hit from another man this hour of the day when them have to head back through the route there. It's like say the man them barely a plan for them start. That's why I say that look like it's a cheap hit. You know, cause it look like it was just rushed. You know, see it, cause to do how much man that are ready to take out a man for little and nothing these days. It's like say even the killer them, once them hear a name call, them all go do it first before them get paid. So that's another man not get the job. You know what I mean? You come like, you have to do this fallout with a man nowadays and a killer just go take him out and come to you and say, yo, me kill him for you, pay me. You know, see? Enough of them killing you are madness. You know, see? Even though we don't know what go on, there's who jump off and who whatever, right, you know, see? But it goes to, you know, show the state of affairs. You know, see it? Fierce badness. You know, see it? You know, see it? Callous. Because you know, think that true, really. You know, see it? Because come from Swallowfield and go back anywhere west. You know, see it? You can't, it's like a madness to go through that level of traffic. You know, see it? Because you have to think, so you might pick up a chase or something like that. You know, see it? And all of them little thing there. You know, see it? So, you have to wonder, it leave you to wonder what sort of desperation them killer the inner why them would really go jump on a works like that at that time of the day. You know, see it? We're not justifying nothing for nobody, you know, see it? But We just know, say, you know, life is like life, no value nothing. You know, see. Because if you ever give away your life so cheaply in the crowd, that's so. See, you never value the man life where you go take for anything. That means you're going to even get much feet either. You know, see. And from what I hear, like me, I tell you, a woman give a man $1,000, a gunman $1,000 on a bike out in the public, and he might ask her, she not nobody will want. He must sell for himself as a hit man publicly. You know, see. So, you know, some high level desperation are going when you look on how the thing work. You know, see, cause you know, see, killing not acceptably in our shape or farm still, but when you look on, but all I tell you, star, Jano, you know, see, Jano, star, you know, see, it's just like how the oppressors want it, the status quo want it. You see, three are going to kill one man and I come back and, you know, as far as some I hear, at least one are dead in the car. The system win, because 2 man that last, you know, 2 man that last to, you know, to corruption and desperation. You know, see, them never did cost nobody nothing for live the day before. Them never did take up no extra space. Them did have them space where them did come for existing originally. You know, see, so today it would be the same thing, tomorrow it would be the same thing anyway. I don't think no, that change much. You know, see, so it begs the question, you know, why them money have to die in idea you start so cheaply? You know, see, and if and when them youth are going to start take stock and put more value upon themselves, you know, see, and see how much credit them is really as a people to the world. You know, see, because me try instill that every day in a Jamaicans. You know, see, your suffering is not just coincidence or an accident or anything like that. You know, see, it's a perpetual science being implied, and if you keep you hungry so that you can't think. Because when you think, you see everybody business and you talk everybody's secret. You know, see it. But you don't know. See, heart goes out to the family them. We lose them loved one. You know, see it. Good job to the police officer them, and you know, we're glad for no so no one no get hurt. You know, see it in the line on the duty. You know, see it. So them thing they go. See, mothers talk to no children cause that at the end of the road for them. You know, see it. Yes, sister. And I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe. See? Blessed love.